A common question in every investor's mind is, does Cardano have a big future? Nonetheless, Cardano has become one of the market's most volatile assets, although this story may alter in the future. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and greetings. Today's video will show you that Cardano new wave is coming, so stay focused. So far, Cardano's performance has fallen significantly short of predetermined targets and expectations. Cardano's present market position needs to provide a favorable image. Cardano's price action, investor behavior, and network performance all point to a terrible finish. The future may appear far away, but it is closer than we think, and it is undoubtedly growing closer with a slew of alterations and updates. Soon, the entire globe will be transacting solely electronically. Those that have begun it now have a great possibility of being rewarded early. Trading and investing in cryptocurrency may assist in escaping the inevitable shock. As you are all aware, when anything new is initially launched to the market, certain defects are to be expected. It emphasizes the need to trade in small increments to learn on the go. Most investors need help figuring out where to begin or what to do, and even opening an account can be difficult for them. Once the first setup is complete, everything else appears to be incredibly flawless, and it may take years to gain trust in purchasing coins. Profits and Cardano are genuine enough to keep your trip fascinating. Cardano began in 2021 as an unknown cryptocurrency that had recently reached mainstream investment. Fortunately, quick grocery and rising usage enabled the digital currency to ascend to third place, adding excellent value to ADA's market capitalization. The market worth of the cryptocurrency reached $82 billion when it was in the top three. With its remarkable characteristics, supporters predicted that Cardano would outperform Ethereum. At the moment, it seems feasible. ADA eventually succumbed to a crushing defeat and abandoned its position. Also in 2021, given Cardano's unpredictability, many investors thought it was best to wait and see what happened to the ADA coin before investing. Cardano was the least impressive performer compared to the other currencies, with 2.1 million outflows. Investing in ADA was not a profitable decision because its risk-adjusted returns were negative 2.63 by November of 2021. Furthermore, Etro's intention to delist Cardano before the end of the year, citing regulatory difficulties, heightened investor anxiety. Nonetheless, investors remain enthusiastic, and Cardano tries to stay socially relevant. Cardano has been named one of the significant companies to watch by Go Banking rates this year. The platform's innovative procedures and cutting-edge technologies have piqued the curiosity of tech specialists and investors. It has gone a long way since it was founded by a non-profit organization under the direction of Charles Hoskinson and peer-reviewed by a team of scientists and academics before its introduction. Will Cardano achieve 10 by the end of the year with this attribute? The current forecast is far from the coin's peak and even more from the 10 mark. Cardano may not reach 10 this year, next year, or anytime soon. If you purchased Cardano when it first started in 2017, you would have spent around 10 cents per ADA. If you invested $1,000 back then, you would have about $2,800. According to some analysts, the ADA coin is a beautiful deal right now, with the planned modifications to the platform and the completion of the final development stage. Even at a price of less than $1. Yes, it is a fantastic offer, and as the blockchain becomes quicker and more efficient, its true worth will skyrocket, influencing the value of ADA. After a dramatic decrease, analysts think Cardano might provide value and strong returns in the long run. Although we must acknowledge that Cardano has already achieved significant gains. Investors are intrigued by the blockchain's network speed, energy efficiency, and future applications. Its profits still need to be completed, since it has much more in store for investors and users. Cardano's value may rise as the network grows and tries to achieve its aim. If it gets there, Cardano could truly take off. Because of the benefits and anticipated growth of cryptocurrencies, there is no need to put all your eggs in one basket. Who knows, the basket might turn out to be weak, which is why it's a good idea to have a diverse portfolio of cryptocurrencies. The Cardano network is already proving its worth in fields ranging from education to healthcare. For example, a blockchain system allows for the safe storage of educational credentials, allowing students to access and exchange such papers as needed. But what about healthcare coverage? Yes, a blockchain system can track medications' origin and supply chains from the concepts preventing counterfeit pharmaceutical item sale. Cardano has a reasonable potential of rising in the long run if these and other uses take off quickly. The idea that Cardano enhancements are subject to peer review is intriguing since it reduces possible problems later in the game. In the end, Cardano is an up-and-coming platform, even though there is no assurance that cryptocurrencies and their prospective users will become popular, because by definition, cryptocurrencies are fraught with danger. However, even after a significant technological update in September, Cardano continues to fall short of market expectations. It was formerly one of the top 5 cryptocurrencies in market capitalization. However, it is now in danger of dropping out of the top 10. There is already rising worry that the ADA price may go below 30 cents unless something happens immediately. But here's the thing, multiple things can help the currency increase beyond 40 cents in short to medium term, and there is still time for Cardano ADA. Cardano features an open roadmap for future development that investors can easily follow. It is now in its 4th phase, concentrating on scaling up the blockchain for growth. According to rumors, Cardano is primarily expected to begin the 5th phase of its road plan, now known as a volunteer, during an event in Scotland slated for November 18th and 19th. Cardano's volunteer period intends to give the necessary elements for the network to become self-sustaining by providing a voting and treasury system. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson will deliver a speech about what's next for cryptocurrency, focusing on volunteerism. If investors get enthralled by this, Cardano's price may rise in the short term. Hoskinson might answer Cardano's question if it continues launching new initiatives. Speaking about new initiatives, Cardano just announced Hydra, a Layer 2 scalability solution for blockchain transaction processing. Each Hydra head can handle 1,000 transactions per second, which, when layered together, might result in a potential processing speed of 1 million TPS. Another question arises. Can Cardano have a promising future? It has several different scaling options. The digital token can presently carry out 250 transactions per second, but it is anticipated to achieve 1 million transactions per second in the following years. What projects are planned for 2022? As Cardano becomes more widely used, its value will rise in the next years. According to analysts, Cardano ADA is anticipated to cost $5 in 2022. If investors determine that Cardano, along with other well-known crypto assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, is a viable investment by 2022, it may reach above $10. This type of full processing speed may pique the interest of investors. The other new release, the Aqua Marcus stablecoin known as JED, has been in the works for about 4 years. It may be available by the end of November. Charles Hoskinson has already advertised his next speed on the internet, stating that investors should keep an eye out for it on November 18th. Following his prior proposal to Twitter on the Bode project to move Dogecoin to Cardano, he has the potential to shake things up. Several short-term triggers might give Cardano's some playing cards in the crypto market. The major flaw is that investors no longer care about unbalanced technological advances because the significant tech update in September had little influence on the price. Investors are desperate for a huge, splashy move, demonstrating that the cryptocurrency can fight head-on with bigger rivals like Ethereum. Dogecoin has recently become one of the market's hottest cryptocurrencies due to Elon Musk's takeover of Twitter. Because the crypto market is susceptible to hype and buzz, it's no surprise that various cryptocurrencies are already attempting to collaborate with Dogecoin. Cardano's inventor has posted a poll to his followers asking if he should pitch a Cardano-Dogecoin union to Twitter. This progression would necessitate a Dogecoin migration from its network to the Cardano blockchain, which is superior to the Dogecoin blockchain. It sounds like a weird notion, but it may work. Hoskinson may be acting in desperation in preparation for the Cardano event later this month, to include Dogecoin as a secondary chain and have some favorite things to discuss. Ultimately, this move may be a win-win situation for Cardano and Dogecoin, but Cardano will have the upper hand. It always does, and this might make future purchases impossible. That's all we have for you today. Take a look at how Cardano New Wave is coming. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see all future videos, subscribe to the channel and switch on the notification bell to all. First and foremost, what do you think about these cryptocurrencies? And how can you justify them more precisely? Please participate and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching our video today. We will see you in our next video. Have a great day.
Support us by
Goodbye.
clicking the subscribe button because it's